In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of using Google Calendar, an incredibly useful tool for organizing your daily, weekly, or monthly schedules. Whether you're managing personal appointments, work commitments, or even planning group events, Google Calendar can help you stay on top of your schedule efficiently. Let's dive in step by step to make sure you're getting the most out of this platform. First, you'll need to go to your Google Calendar. Just open up your web browser and type in calendar.google.com, or you can use the dedicated app on your smartphone. It's easy to access, and having it at your fingertips means you can manage your schedule from virtually anywhere. Once you're there, start by choosing the view that suits your current needs. It might be day, week, or month view. These views allow you to see your schedule at a glance. Whether you're planning just one meeting or coordinating a busy week, selecting the right scope helps you see everything you need to manage effectively. When you're ready to add an event, click on the time slot that you want to use. You'll notice a small window pop up that lets you start configuring the details of your event. The first thing you'll want to do is to give your event a title. This could be something simple like team meeting or doctor's appointment. Having a clear title helps you quickly understand your schedule at a glance. Remember, while adding the title, you may also need to adjust the time. Sometimes, the default scheduling won't match your specific needs. Google Calendar allows you to make quick adjustments either by inputting the time manually or by dragging the event box to match the correct duration on the calendar interface. Next, add any other details about the event that you might want to remember, like location, guest list, or a note about the meeting agenda. These little details can save you time later on and make sure everyone involved is on the same page. Once everything looks good, hit save to finalize your event. By doing this, you ensure that your time slot is reserved and everyone invited gets notified. If you're looking to organize your life even further, creating a separate calendar might be the way to go. To do this, look for the Other Calendars section on the left-hand side and click on Add Other Calendars. By setting up different calendars for various aspects of your life, like personal, work, or family, you can easily switch views to focus on what's most important right now. Click on Create New Calendar, give it a name, and write a short description if needed so you can keep track at a glance. Finally, click Create Calendar to complete the setup. And there you have it, the simple but powerful ways to utilize Google Calendar to keep your life organized and running smoothly. With just these basic steps, you're well on your way to mastering your time management like a pro. I hope you found this guide helpful.